And cool, that was a blowy weekend, wasn't it?
It was a windy one, Susie. At our official observation stations on Saturday, we recorded gusts between 45 and 55 miles per hour. Not so blustery today, strongest gusts between about 25 and 35 miles per hour. So I think overnight tonight we'll eventually see some rain, but certainly today we've had some beautiful blue sky at times, some thicker areas of cloud, yes, and a few showers, but for most of us it has been dry, and that's how we start off tonight with some clear spells, but eventually some thicker clouds spreading down from the northwest and the rain too, and some heavier bursts are likely to be mixed in with this. Temperatures tonight were lows of 3 to 6 Celsius. And then tomorrow, well, this is the warm front associated with the overnight rain. That clears away, but following in behind, a cold front, and this will have some wet weather associated with it too. So on Tuesday, a lot of cloud around for much of the day for many of us, with rain on and off. And again, this could produce some heavier bursts at times. Eventually, perhaps some brighter weather into the north and northwest. But I think for most of us during daylight hours, it will stay quite cloudy, with the last of this rain probably clearing late afternoon, early evening. And the winds picking up during tomorrow afternoon. We're looking at gusts of 40 to 45 miles per hour through the afternoon, evening and during tomorrow night as well. But eventually everywhere becoming dry with clear spells. And then Wednesday, high pressure in charge. Got this very cold flow of air though from the north, so a chilly day. Starts off on the blustery side, but I think the winds will ease as Wednesday goes on, and it is looking largely fine and dry. Don't take this map too literally. We could see these thicker areas of cloud just about anywhere. It's going to be hit and miss where we see the best of the sunshine, and highs of around 9 to 12 Celsius. The average is 10 at this time of year. And then Thursday, a cloudier affair with perhaps a weak front bringing some outbreaks of rain to some of us. And then Friday through until the beginning of next week, that high pressure really in charge, but again the difficulty will be judging how much cloud we get and therefore how much sunshine. But I do think as we head through the weekend we'll start to see those temperatures climbing again, with those winds eventually returning to a more westerly direction. And overnight lows, well, it does look like we've got some pretty chilly ones on the way from Thursday night onwards. The risk of frost, the average at this time of year is around 3 degrees Celsius, and that's your forecast.